Okay, there's a request in the class, in my grade 9 class, to make a bridge. I'm using this version. Hope this is okay with our guy Shiv, my man. I hope this works. So this is what I'm going to demo right here. Okay, hopefully it'll be like 10 minutes, maybe less. So this actually starts with something really cool. It's the cylinder, believe it or not, mesh cylinder. Okay, what I did is I changed. Oh, I should get rid of that music in the background. We're going to have copyright issues. Who knows? Okay, initially this was 32 right here. See, like that. Same thing when you guys were making the chest piece. I changed it to, let's say 12. I don't know, something like that. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, let's say 16. Who knows? Whatever. Let's leave it at 12. It's nice and simple. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is, depending on the view I'm in, let's say Y. I'm going to rotate on the Y. So I'm going to press N here. I'm going to go to Y. I'm going to press 90. Type in 90. There it is. Okay. The other thing is, I'm going to go into this X mode here, and I'm just going to move this bridge out of the way. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into X-ray mode, hopefully. Oops, wrong piece, this one. X-ray mode, and I'm going to press Tab. Okay, right here. Get out of anything in here, so I'm going to hold on and just move this out. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into Vertex. I'm going to delete half the vertices. Delete. Bye-bye. Because I'm in X-ray mode, whatever's in the front and the back is selected. Next thing I'm going to do is press Command A or Control A. No, that's not working either. Is there anything working today? Let me try A. A works. Okay. A for all. And I'm going to come in here and scale this out a bit. Look, like that. Yeah, like that. Okay. And I'm looking at it in profile, I'm thinking maybe these two edges can be out more, right? Hold this one and hold that one. Left click, meaning click once and hold shift. And I'm just gonna, see, shift. I'm gonna go out on the green, something like that, okay? So if I look at it in the X view, that's not bad, right? Right there. So I'm gonna now select each face. I'm gonna go into face mode. Thank you, I appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna click once, left click, shift, left click, shift, click, shift left click, basically like that. Just like you did in the chest piece, you went from extrude to extrude along normals. If I do that, I will get this. Ooh, wait a minute, what happened here? Offset even. What did I do wrong? Oh, wrong one, sorry. Hold on, I selected the wrong one, that's why. This is normal, so let's try that again. Like that. Okay, good enough. Okay, because I'm in X-ray mode here, I've got these little dots. So the easiest thing you can do is select the dot, left click. Oh man, let's get out of this for a second. I'm going to get out of X-ray mode so you guys can see things better, okay? You're out. Thank you. Shift left click, shift left click, shift left click, shift left click. I'm holding middle scroll down, coming to the outside. Left click, shift left click, all the way down here, okay? Now, I could have done the other method, which is Option, boom, Option left click or Alt left click, and then Shift deselect this one. Shift left click, deselect. Okay, so now in extrude, I'm going to use the same extrude tool over here, and I'm going to do that. Okay, so now unfortunately I have to go again one by one. Shift left click, shift left click, shift left click. Same over here. Shift left click, like that. Okay, so what we're going to do is bring this up. All right. And I'm going to do it one more time, just like a railing idea, okay? And just to make it a little more technical for us, I'm going to have these handles, like the railing handles, stick out more, okay? So basically, if I come over here, do the same thing. Here, just shift left click one more time. My mouse is getting stuck. I need a mouse pad here. And I'm just going to use the same thing, extrude along normals, and I'm going to just go like this. Both sides are going to go out. That's pretty good, okay? So that works for me. That's my bridge under 5 minutes. Sweet. Okay, so that's my method of doing it. It's really simple. Have fun with it. Do as you wish, okay? Now, if you had a ground under here, so if I tab out, if I go in here, Shift A plane, see, S10, basically you kind of take this and just dip it in a bit so it kind of sits like that. I can even come in here now. I can go Shift A cube, And I can make lampposts, right? I can come in here and do, let me go S.2, something like that. I just scaled it basically. I can come in here and just do a post of some kind, right? Like this, look. So I can come in here, tab, easy there, mister. I'm gonna press I for inset, for example, like that. Something like this, and then E for extrude, go like that, and then I'm gonna press S for scale, and then just do something like that. E for extrude, out, S for scale, out, E for extrude, something like that, and then S, something like that. You get what I mean? So this is kind of cool. Tab out. You can move this and do whatever you like somewhere, or we can resize it, go S.5, whatever. So it's all relative, obviously, right? So maybe that's too big. You decide. I would even make these as separate pieces, okay? And then you need reference before you do this. You'll have some people, you'll see some cities, well, they'll have these light posts in the middle of the bridge as well, on the edges here. And you can do that. You can actually bring it over here and do something like this over, okay? Pop it over here like that, and I can come in here and just bring it on top and do stuff like this, right? And I'll have another one over there and so forth, okay? So watch, I can come over here, press tab, grab that face, and just bring that down like this, and I can go in here now. I can come in here like this, and I can scale on the Y, for example, like this, look. You know, look how cool this will look. This look kind of cool, right? Okay, tab, I said tab, and then I'll move it to the other side. So you can have two of these, Shift D, X on the other side. Shift D is basically duplicate, right? Okay, like that. You can do your versions down here. All right, that's it. And you know, I'm just keep adding more information. I gotta stop, right? So if I go into tab mode here and go to X-ray, watch this. Vertex, where's my verts? Right here. Oh, sorry, it's the wrong object. I'm going to select the bridge, tab. I'm in vertex mode, making sure that I'm in X-ray here. I'm not. Here I am. X-ray I am. Okay. What you could do is you can grab the bottom here, shift this bottom here, and make it straight in the sense that we can scale it out like that almost. Then grab the bottom, and this is a little more complex for grade 9, I apologize, but you can make this straight. It doesn't have to be a curve. Guys, are we okay over there? Thank you. All right. All right. So we can make it straight so that if you ever want to come in here and then bring these in straight here, that works too, okay? That's it, c'est tout. We're done. Thank you. Balian out, under 8 minutes.